Hi everyone, welcome back to my mukbang. Today I'm review slash mukbanging the new fire noodles, spicy fire noodles in black bean noodle version. It recently came out in Korea not too long ago, so obviously it's gonna take months for the States for us to get it, but they were selling on Amazon pretty fast. It was like, I don't know, I thought they would kind of take longer, but I just checked just in case and they were actually selling it. Definitely overpriced because for 4 pack it was like 14, 20 something, 20 something dollars. Kind of too much for instant noodles, right? But anyways, I bought like a couple packs and today I'm just going to eat two, probably saving the rest for my ASMR too. But I'm excited. I heard that it's not that spicy. Boil it, same thing. Comes with two the paste, and this is like the dried vegetable flakes, which I think I'm going to. Yeah, I think I'm supposed to add this now. Okay. Oh, like black bean noodles, they have little these green beans. Cute. Carrot, and I boiled some 2 eggs, hard-boiled eggs. And I'm just going to cook this really quick. Almost ready. On the side, I just have some homemade kimchi, and for drink, I have light yogurt too. I think light means just like less calories, maybe. I don't know. Tastes the same. So I don't know what they mean by light. Oh, 50 lower sugar. 50% lower sugar. Ooh, so this paste is actually really dark. I mean, the original one's pretty dark too, but maybe just my head. Look, yeah, it definitely is thicker and darker than the original sauce. Ooh, I could already smell that black bean. Put the eggs. Okay. Start with the eggs first. Oh no. Mmm. Mmm. Tastes kind of creamy. That was me. You definitely taste the black bean more, but kind of surprised how you still taste the fire noodle flavor. Mmm. It's definitely spicy, but I don't think it'll be as spicy. We'll see. I just have to kind of wait on it. Get some more eggs. Mmm. This is good. Okay, it's spicy. Because some people said, I watched a lot of reviews on this, and a lot of people said it's not spicy at all. But I mean, again, I don't have a very high tolerance either, but it's pretty spicy to me. And I'm more shocked that I'm finishing this really, really quick. It's almost gone. If they didn't have this flavor, I wouldn't be as sad. Because I think I could just add pepper flakes or like even capsaicin powder into my instant black bean noodles, and it'll probably taste the same. I'll be sad if they get rid of the fire noodle original flavor, you know? It's definitely spicy. You know, when they made that cheese fire noodles and the carbonara fire, like the creamy fire noodles, and even this, I don't think they're trying to make it less spicy, because what's the point of eating fire noodles then, right? I think they're just adding a flavor to it. But I think this is literally as spicy as the original, I think. You know what I mean? What's the point of making this not as spicy? Might as well just go eat the instant noodle. The black bean instant noodle. So I like how spicy it is. You know, it's fine, but I just think what's wrong for me to think that Why did I even expect this to be not spicy? I guess like some people just like the flavor of it, but it's kind of hard to get the. It's hard to get only the flavor without the spiciness. Oh my god, it's spicy. Okay, I'm going to end the video here today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's short mukbang. If you guys did enjoy this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Check out my ASMR channel, my beauty channel, and don't forget these channels for more mukbangs and more food videos. This is available on Amazon, and I will leave the link in the description box. So if you guys are interested, honestly, I don't think it's as great. Because I really like the creamy carbonara one a lot. I really like that one. This one is just like, it just tastes like black bean noodles. I mean, you do taste like the original flavor too, but I just feel like it's not as great as the original, or even, creamy cheese one was pretty good too. And the soupy one was like my least favorite. I guess the soupy one, this one is my least favorite. And the nuclear I think they just made it to really mess around with people, to be honest. How could you really I don't know, I guess some people can, but yeah, I couldn't really enjoy the nuclear one. But anyways, until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.